morning to all of you. I would like to thank to Global Spoken English for giving me a chance to enhance my communication skills. My name is Gulshan Kumar. My father name is Ram Dulare. I am from Jodhpur and I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today my topic is importance of books in our life. Before starting, I would state some lines in Hindi. अधूरी शाम का अधूरा किस्सा हूँ मैं, अधूरी शाम का अधूरा किस्सा हूँ मैं, जो पढ़ा ना जा सके किताब का भी हिस्सा हूँ मैं. Books play a significant role in our life. They say that when you open a book, books are packed with your knowledge and helpful advice. Books represent part of history. Not only they are full of knowledge. I would say some lines in Hindi. मायूस मत होना कभी जिंदगी से, कभी भी तेरा काम बन सकता है. कि मायूस मत होना कभी जिंदगी से, कभी भी तेरा काम बन सकता है. अगर दिल में हो आग और हौसले हो बुलंद, अगर दिल में हो आग और हौसले हो बुलंद, तो अखबार बेचने वाला भी कलाम बन सकता है. I wrap my speech with a message that it's been a great experience to share my views with you all wonderful people. Thank you so much and have a nice day.